While cleaning your double batch oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off buttons for the top and bottom oven cavities to cool the oven. Open the oven doors to speed up the cooling process. This can take up to 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the screen reads, "Safe to clean," for the top and bottom oven cavities. Step 2. Clean the wire racks. Remove the wire racks in the top and bottom oven cavities. Spray oven cleaner on the wire racks and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the wire racks with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plates. Remove the top and bottom jet plates in the top and bottom oven cavities by unscrewing the 2 thumb screws on each jet plate. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plates and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the jet plates with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the grease filters. Lift the grease filter in the back of the top and bottom oven cavities. Thoroughly rinse the grease filters with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Allow the grease filters to dry completely before reinstalling. Replace the grease filter if they are deteriorated or damaged. Step 5. Clean the air filters. Remove the 2 air filters from the exterior back of the oven. Thoroughly rinse the air filters with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Allow the air filters to air dry completely before reinstalling. Replace the air filters if they are deteriorated or damaged. Step 6. Clean the top and bottom oven cavities. Remove any food particles from both cook cavities. Spray oven cleaner onto a scrub pad and clean the top, bottom, and sides of the oven interiors. Do not spray oven cleaner into the holes in the back oven walls or directly onto the cook chamber lamps. Doing so can damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. For tough buildup, spray oven cleaner and allow it to penetrate for 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe the cook cavities with a clean, damp cloth towel. Step 7. Clean the oven doors. Spray oven cleaner on the door windows and hinges and clean with a scrub pad. Do not apply excessive force when cleaning the glass windows. Breakage will result in a non-warranty service call. Wipe the doors and windows with a clean, damp cloth towel. Step 8. Reinstall the components. Reinstall the top and bottom jet plates in each oven cavity by securing the thumb screws. The top and bottom jet plates will only fit in the correct location. Reinstall the wire racks. Reinstall the grease filters after they are completely dry. Reinstall the 2 air filters after they are completely dry. Step 9. Clean the oven exterior. Spray oven cleaner on a clean cloth towel and wipe down the entire oven exterior. Press the 3 bars in the right corner of the menu screen and press the clean icon to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean it. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your double batch oven. Contact your sales representative to reorder cleaning supplies.